Today, we introduce the floating chat bubble, a modular plugin that you can install into your Hermes Agent dashboard. So without further ado, let's build. All right, so as you can see here on the screen, I've prepped this visual aid for us to follow along in this video. Alternatively, if you want to access this yourself, just go to clearmud.ai, click the resources tab up top, go to the Hermes category, and you'll discover this video prop that's completely free to use and free to access. If you're not familiar with what a chat bubble is, it's a floating chat interface on an existing website or dashboard or web app or mobile app for that matter. Most all of us have used this without even knowing. Now, I originally built this out of a pain point that I had when I was navigating my Hermes Agent dashboard, where I didn't like having to tab back over to chat just to prompt. I wanted the capabilities to look at my Kanban board and prompt in that session real time. So I thought, why not create this modular plugin? And so far, it's been a fun experience. It works. I've tested it across many different systems. I've been testing it over the past 7 to 10 days when Hermes has been updating, and it's been consistently working throughout. I've been making minor tweaks, of course, but nevertheless, core behaviors, it follows you in the dashboard. So the chat bubble stays available even when you inspect different tabs. The only time it disappears is when you go to the main chat tab, because that's redundant. We don't want to see a floating chat bubble when we're actually in the chat interface, right? It's also resizable anywhere. So it starts off anchored in the bottom right. However, you can resize any one of the four corners, and then you can reposition the floating chat bubble to stay static wherever you want it to stay. It's pretty nifty, and it's also skin aware. I'll show you what I mean by this here in a moment. Here's some proof of work. Now, we're about to walk through this dashboard, so I'm not gonna zoom into that, but we do have a repository download link here. If you click it, it takes you to our GitHub. Currently, it is private at the time of recording this video, but by the time this video goes live, it will be public. Now, there's a couple of ways to install this, right? You can install it manually, or you can just install it with your agent. We prepped this agent install markdown file that gives the step-by-step, all right? You can you can copy that, or you can go and copy this prompt here for the agent install prompt. And the reason I prepped this prompt is because of our prerequisites for this plugin. Over the past few weeks, I've been making a lot of Hermes Agent videos. Here, you'll find me teaching you how to enable the Hermes dashboard. And here, you'll find me breaking down the chat feature with some tips and tricks. Those two need to be enabled before this plugin works. Now, if you just copy this prompt here, this will actually enable and install those prerequisites, configure everything properly before it installs the plugin. Pretty nifty, right? And here's just some tips and tricks. Listen, I've already mentioned most of this organically as I was walking through the visual aid. This is just for people who discover this Hermes Agent TUI chat bubble through the website and not through this video. So we're not going to walk through that here. Instead, we're going to go straight into it. So I'm going to do a hard refresh to fix the styling there. But as you can see here, here's a TUI chat session within our Hermes Agent dashboard. Now, as I mentioned, that difficulty I was running into, anytime I would go to session, cron, skills, Kanban, whatever, well, the chat disappears. And in order for me to go back and make a change or prompt something, I have to physically go back to this chat tab. It was very tedious and I wanted a solution for it. So I built something. As you can see here on the bottom right-hand side of your screen, all you have to do is click this chat tab. And it's going to pull up that same session that we just started. And I'll prove it here to you. So, hey, testing chat. And as we navigate to another page, we click that floating chat bubble. As you can see here, it's got persistent memory with the session that you had open. Now, keep in mind, if you do a hard refresh on your dashboard, it does reset the session as of now. If that happens to you, I'm going to show you a little trick here. All you do, let's try to replicate it for you. And we try to reopen chat. You're going to see here it's a fresh session. All you got to do is go over here to sessions. You have to go over to sessions on the top right here, and then you just go ahead and hit play. And what it's going to do is it's going to take us back to the default chat tab and restore that session, right? And then we can continue doing the work that we were doing. And we just pop open the floating chat bubble. As you can see, the theme I have is default, so we have these yellow corners, but it stays stuck in this main container. And no matter where you navigate, you don't have to refresh it. The only time it disappears is if you go back to chat. And then you go back, you do have to currently re-click the floating chat bubble. You know, that's just the current state of the plugin. And yeah, listen, that's the gist of it. It's pretty nifty. I've been having a lot of fun with it. Now, I've been primarily working with my floating chat bubble through my custom plugins, as you can see here. Time to work on Atlas plugin. Right? So this is my multi-agent team of an upwards of 29 profiles. It's not fully automated yet. I'm still building that foundation and that infrastructure out with the key pieces that I need. But if you're interested in this Agent Atlas plugin, I do plan on releasing it to the public. But as with anything I build here, I build it selfishly for me. And then I realize you can find it useful. So I then share it with the public. So let me know you're interested in this Agent Atlas plugin below. Now, before I let you go, let's go check out another demo account that I have here. And the reason I want to show you this is a custom light mode that was built by somebody in the community. Shout out Mr. Baker. If you want access to this, all you have to do is go to github.com/Mr. Baker Slop. And he did share this theme that he's built out right here. It's a clean, modern theme. I prefer the light mode, but it has these blue accents in here. So I changed the skin of the TUI. Now, if you're unaware of how to do this, you go into your config. And the best way to find it is you just type in skin right here. And it's under display, but Slate gives you this blue effect, right? Default gives us that yellow. I want to say Aries is like a reddish orange, and mono is exactly what it sounds like. I believe it's black and white. Don't quote me. Now, what happens when we click the floating chat bubble here? Look at this. You see how the colors of the corner changes? The top menu bar does follow the theme of your Hermes styling that you have applied, right? So as you can see, it's skin friendly. So regardless of what skin you're using, the floating chat bubble will adapt with these little accents to just make the experience more enjoyable. When you're working with a slate skin, you have those slate accents on the floating chat bubble as well. So yeah, listen, that's it. Just wanted to show off this plugin. I wanted to announce that it's public for the world. Check the download link in the comments below and let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you discover any bugs with this. As I mentioned, I'm going to be working on this during my live streams. If you're also curious about how I built it, I've been building it over the past few weeks on these live streams. So check it out. We stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific. And yeah, I hope you found some value in today's video. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.